Hi there, I'm Eileen of Cornell Cooperative Extension, Rensselaer County 4-H. And today we're going to make apple cinnamon toast. This is a great snack that you can make anytime for your family and friends. First thing we need to do though is make sure our hands are nice and clean. So if you haven't already done so, go wash your hands and then come on back to the kitchen. This recipe only uses a few simple ingredients. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 apple, and then we need 2 teaspoons of margarine and 4 slices of bread. So to start, we're going to make sure our apple is nice and clean, rinse it off really well. Then we're going to core our apple. We use our apple core. Now, if you're one of our younger 4-H members, make sure that you have a friend or an older sibling or an adult who can help you with the knives. Then we're going to take our apple slices and we're going to cut them very, very thin. Our next step, first we want to also make sure we preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Our next step is to take a slice of bread, we're going to put it on our baking sheet, and then take a little bit of the margarine and just spread it on the slice of bread. Then we'll take our apple slices and we'll arrange them on the bread. You can make a really pretty pattern. Be creative, have fun with it. Then our next step is to take some of the cinnamon and sugar and we're going to sprinkle that all over the apple slices and a little bit on the bread. Now if you like nutmeg, you also can put a little bit of nutmeg into that mixture. Then we're going to put this into our preheated 375 degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until the bread is nice and toasted. When it's done, you're going to have a really pretty snack. Also smells wonderful. So it's something that you and your family can enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed making our apple cinnamon toast with me today. And until next time, happy snacking. Thank you.